doing well. So today is Sunday, that is 20th September. और मेरा बर्थडे था फ्राइडे को ऑन 18 सितंबर एंड आई गॉट सो मेनी वार्म विशेस फ्रॉम योर साइड, सो मेनी प्रेजेंट्स, so many messages were left out and are still left out. I couldn't reply to everybody, so I thought why not to come over to this platform. बताती हूँ कि मैंने 18th को क्या क्या किया, and most importantly I wanted to say thanks to everybody for sending me so much of love. Let me tell you what all things I did on my birthday, how I spent my birthday in 2020. Right, but I couldn't vlog my day. I'm so sorry. I planned to vlog it, but due to some certain plans, I got distracted and I couldn't do it. But I'm promising you next year there will be a vlog for my birthday. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep watching. So talking about 18th, so it was a very good surprise given to me by Emily and my best friend Ruchika. So they planned on 17th night, सब कुछ decorate वगैरह and all those things they did, and they brought so homemade cakes. Most importantly, it was so nice of them. Then on 18th, I went to my nearby cafe. एक cafe घर के पास ही, वहाँ पर मैं गई थी, and then in the evening, family dinner was there. So this was basically the birthday day. Now let me share you all the presents I got from my loved ones. Starting, let me start with the sequence wise. So birthday के एक week पहले I got some presents from my office colleagues. Thank you for that. And those were, this is the gift. It's from Flipkart. So if you plan to get it, you can. So basically this is a very beautiful Parker pen set. Let me show you from inside. This is how it looks like. I just love you guys for this. Thank you. Okay, moving to the next present. Then on Wednesday around, I got the gift from my best friend Rakshan, and it's from Myntra. Let me just show you. So it's from Myntra, a very beautiful dress. Okay, and when I will be wearing this dress, I will be definitely posting in my Instagram, so you can check it from there if you want to get it for yourself. And yeah, so this is the dress. Thank you. Moving to the next gift which I got. Then I got all my gifts on my birthday. So starting on 17th night, I got first of all 2 handmade cakes from my mom and from my best friend Ruchika. And then also my mom gifted me this. This is the blue jeans which I asked for actually. Means this was my necessity and my requirement. Then secondly, she gave me the birthday dress which I was wearing, and if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen my birthday look. If not, you can go and check out on Instagram @TanyaArora__18. So you can go and check my dresses there and follow me. Then moving ahead, Ruchika bought me a very beautiful top. I just love it. This is from Westside. If you're also planning to get this top, you can, because this is really wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so moving ahead on birthday, like on 18th, first of all, I got a very beautiful bouquet filled with red roses and chocolates from my best friend Anushka. Thank you for that. I don't have it right now because it was a bouquet and chocolates. I ate all the chocolates. Now, yeah, and I also got some chocolates from my brother. These are still there. I'll be eating them. Okay, then we have is I got, yeah. So on my birthday day, I got these gifts. Just very special. Okay, so let me open it one by one. So this is the perfume from UCB. Okay, so it's very beautiful. So if you are planning to switch your perfume, so you can go for this one. I just love the fragrance, so I'm going to stick on this for some time. Okay, the next gift I have is the very beautiful watch from French Connection. It's so beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so the last gift. Then at the time of the family dinner, my Di and Jiju got me some beautiful presents. So they are, one of them is the shirt, which is very beautiful. So this shirt, and then the another gift my sister and Jiju got me is this gift. This is from Myntra basically, but I cannot open this right now because it requires automation. इसको थोड़ा सेट करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा टिंग टैंग करना पड़ेगा, और फिर उसके बाद वॉल पे लगाना पड़ेगा. तो ये सब करने के बाद आई कैन फुली शो यू कि हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. और जब एक बार लग जाएगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली आप लोगों को अपने इंस्टाग्राम में दिखाऊंगी हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड माई बैकग्राउंड इज गोइंग टू चेंज लिटिल बिट. सो या, so I will show you on my Instagram. That's it. So this was it for the gifts, for the presents. So I had an amazing birthday. I think you have seen the highlights as well. Thank you guys for this amazing gifts, for the amazing warm wishes. Always stay connected with me, and thank you for making my birthday so special. Love you guys. Bye.